Hey, how's it going? In this super quick video, I'm gonna show you how you can find and use your very own Instagram trending audio. Now, the best way to find trending audio is to have a professional Instagram account. Now, if you don't know how to switch from a regular Instagram account to a business Instagram account, feel free to check out our tutorial linked in the description below where we show you how to do that. But once you switch over from a regular Instagram account over to your professional account, then you could go to your account tab by just clicking on your profile in the bottom right corner. Once here, you're gonna wanna click on professional dashboard, and then it will bring you to this page here. We can see some of your analytics and your stats, but if you scroll down to the bottom here, you'll see that there's an option here under tips and resources for trending audio. Now this is very cool because Instagram has actually made a list of the top 50 trending sounds on their platform. You can take a minute to look through these sounds, scroll through, check them out, click on the little play button, and it'll actually play a sample of the sound for you. Once you found the sound that you want to use for your Instagram reel, simply select the sound, and it will take you to this page here where it'll show you all of the top performing reels using that sound. Now, if you found a sound and you're not quite sure how you want to use it just yet, you can always click on the little ribbon here to save the sound for later. It'll bookmark it. You can also send the sound to somebody else, maybe someone else you're working with or someone else you collaborate with, to let them know that you like this sound and you think it's a good idea to use it. If I'm ready to go ahead and post my reel and create my reel right now with the sound, I can hit use audio. It'll now take me to my camera roll and I'll have the opportunity to either select an existing video that I've already edited, or I can go and make my own video right now for Instagram Reels. So if you click on the little camera, it'll allow you to shoot your own Instagram Reel right at that moment using that sound. So that can be handy if you need to time things up to the music or anything like that. You can also check out the templates available by Instagram Reels users by clicking on the templates button here, and it'll show you a number of templates using the sound you've selected. Now, personally, I find that there just isn't that many options for the Instagram templates, so you're probably going to have to make your own version of whatever trend you're following. For our purposes here, I'm gonna select this image of me and my dog. I'll select that and then I'll hit next. From here, you'll be able to click on the little audio section on the top left here. Now, some trending audios that are a little bit longer will allow you to actually trim and crop them to make them a bit shorter to fit your content a little bit better. This is already a pretty short sound, so I'm not able to make any major adjustments here when it comes to the audio that's going to play. Now at the bottom here, I can actually adjust the length of the shot if I wanted to. I can increase the speed if it was actually a video instead of a photo. But once I'm done all that, I'll just hit next. So from here, now you're in the regular Reels editing suite, and you can make any edits you want, like text or filters or stickers or polls or whatever you want. You can now go use the trending audio, but also incorporate all of the regular tools that you have at your disposal when you're making an Instagram Reel. So there you have it. That's how you use and find your very own trending audio for Instagram. Stay tuned. We got great content coming your way all the time.